In agriculture, the right timing and the amount of pesticides used is crucial. Standardized analytical methods allow labs like the CVUA in Stuttgart to control pesticide levels in food. Internationally, the most commonly used method for the analysis of pesticide residues in the food is the so-called Ketchers method. Ketchers is an acronym and stands for quick, easy, cheap, effective, rugged, and safe. The method was developed in 2002 by Dr. Anastasiadis during his post-doc stay in the USA at the USDA laboratory headed by Steve Lahote. The method allows the analysis of a very broad range of different pesticides in a wide range of food.
You can cover all the fruit and vegetables, the cereals, the spices, simple and non-high fat content food of animal origin such as eggs and milk and meat.
After being frozen for around 12 hours, the roughly cut samples are being homogenized with dry ice in a mill. The homogenate is being filled into containers and stored frozen until the analytical portions are taken for the actual analysis.
So the method compared to previous methods was quite quick and also quite robust, also safe because the entire procedure is in a closed vessel.
The analytical portion of Ketchers is 10 grams for most commodities. For dry samples, water is added to facilitate extraction. Acetonitrile serves as an extraction solvent and the samples are shaken for 15 minutes by an automated vertical shaker. With the help of a special mixture of salts, the acetonitrile separates from the aqueous phase and the pH is adjusted. In this step, the sample is shaken again to enable a liquid-liquid partitioning of the analytes and the matrix components between the phases. A large number of pesticides partitions nearly quantitatively into the acetonitrile phase on the top, whereas many matrix components, such as sugars and proteins, remain in the water phase or precipitate. For a better separation of phases, the vials are centrifuged for 5 minutes.
It's rather the scope that expands. Yes, the simplicity maybe and the robustness also have some impact on quality. Approximately 1,200 pesticides and metabolites are covered. You can do 12 samples in like 1 hour.
Most matrix components are being removed, while most analytes stay in the acetonitrile extracts. These are further cleaned up with a mixture of magnesium sulfate and various sorbents such as PSA, graphitized carbon black, and ODS, depending on the sample type. The samples have to be shaken and centrifuged once more. When the samples are ready, they have to be pipetted into vials. Once the samples are fully prepared, the extracts are being injected in different gas or liquid chromatographic instruments that are typically connected to a mass spectrometric detector. The final results are compared with the defined maximum residue limits.
The timing of Ketchers was also quite crucial because it came up together with the LC-MS and took advantage of the possibilities of LC-MS. More than 90% of the pesticide residue labs now use Ketchers. This is a good feeling that we have done something right and that the method is working and it's, many people trust that this method produces good results.
The labs make sure that food is safe for people to enjoy.